So we have white socket and another one white, one from GFCI. First one. Yeah, it is GFCI. Nylon receptacles, 19. Done. Done. And check our done. And old one disconnected. We will break off these parts, as you see, for example. All contacts tighten and we can put it inside the receptacle, but first we need to wrap the socket around by electrical tape. First we're done. So next one. There is no necessary to wrap it with electrical tape because of size. It's a regular size socket, so it goes inside the receptacle and it has a gap around. And both done. Turn on breaker. Test it again. So we see. Works. And we can check GFCI.